In this tutorial, I will show you the use of global and local variables in Python. We know already what are global and local variables. Global variables are those variables that are accessible from anywhere, and local variables are those variables that are declared inside any method or function, and only function can access the variables. The first example shows the use of a simple global variable. Here, a function named print message is defined that will print the value of the global variable from the function, and the global variable is text here, which is store a string value, and the function name is called. The function is called here, and the value will be printed. And after that, the value of the global variable is changed and again printed in this statement. Variable 1. Okay, now I will run it, and this string value is printed from the method print message, and after modify the value of the variable, the learn Python programming is printed. This is a very simple use of global variable, but if you define a global and local variable with the same name, then a problem can appear. Here again text is a global variable, and if I print it, it will normally print no error will appear. First I will show you without error, and next I will show you with error. And what error can appear if you declare a local and global variable with the same name? Okay, there is no error, and if I run it, it will work like the previous example. Here I like Python is the value of the global variable before calling the method, and next the value is changed. I like PHP, which is printed. But if you want to assign it again inside a method, suppose hello, then an error will appear. What error will appear? That means when it will try to print the value of text, then it will check the text is already assigned here. That means it's local, but here it was printing the value of global. So this error will be shown. Local variable text is defined in enclosed scope in line 11. Reference before assignment. That means here the text variable is treated as a local variable, and if I run the script, it also shows the error local variable takes its reference before assignment. So if you want to use a global variable inside your Python method, then you have to use global keyword. That is shown in the next example. Use of global variable inside the function. Here an input number value will be taken and stored in the variable num, and cal percentage is the method where the global variable will be used. And here before calling the method, the value of the global variable that will be taken from the user will be printed, and next it call the method, and to identify the global variable, here global keyword is used. And next another integer value is taken and some calculation is done here, and which is printed, and here this global variable which is already mentioned here, it is global. If you change the value to 500, then the value taken as the input will be replaced by this 500. So to show this, it is again printed here. if I run it, suppose I have typed 45 and percentage value, suppose 10%, and 10% of 45 is 4.5, and for reassigning the value of global variable, the value is changed from 45 to 500. In this way, you can use global variable inside any Python method. The next example is to use a global variable from another script. So for this, you have to define two scripts, and if you want to do it like this, then you have to keep the same name. I will save it like this, variable 4, and three variables are defined here: basic, medical, and transport, and these will be work as a global variable for other script. So other script value is this. So I will get another script for it, and here global 5 define mainly this one. So I will replace all global 5 in this script by variable 4. To do this, you can do it like that. Replace with variable 4, and must choose replace all. Okay, all global 5 is replaced by variable 4. Now save this script, variable 5. What is done in this script? Here, two input value will be taken from the user, employee name and post, and initially it is assumed that there is no error in the script, and if the value is CEO, then it will calculate something basic value based on this rule, and if the manager, then value will be different. If the accountant, the value will be different. If none of these value is matched, then it will set the error to true. If the error is false, then the salary will be printed, otherwise it will print post is not found. I will now run the script. Employee name Hussein and post manager, and it is calculate the salary based on this equation. And if I again run employee name John and the post is salesperson, then post is not found. In this way, you can use global variable which are defined on another script in your current script by using import keyword. And these are all about this tutorial and global variable declaration in Python. Hope the concept of the use of variables in Python are now clear. Thank you for watching.